and this is a long question from the same section. See, y is equal to, if the question is if y equal to cos x power cot x plus x square plus 1 power 10 inverse x, then find out the value of dy by dx. If y equal to cos x power cot x plus x square plus 1 power 10 inverse x, find dy by dx. See, now variable power variable is there, here also variable power variable is there. So what is the logic? You have to apply the logarithmic on both the side. But for this question, as plus symbol is there, we cannot directly apply log on both the sides. What will happen if we will apply log on both the sides? See, log y, log cos x power 10x plus x square plus 1 10 inverse x. There is no such formula for log m plus n. We know the formula for log m into n, m divided by n, m power n, but there is no such formula for log m plus n and log m minus n. So for these type of problems we cannot apply, though it contains variable power variable, but since addition, these two portions are present in addition mode, so we cannot apply directly the logarithmic formulas on both the sides, or we cannot take log on both the sides. See how to solve. These are all long question. See how to find out the value of dy by dx. Just take the first term as u and the second term as v. Now the question will be reduced into y equal to u plus v. Y is equal to u plus v. So what is u? U is cos x power cot x and v equal to x square plus 1 power 10 inverse x. Y is equal to u plus v. See, to these type of problems we cannot apply log on both the sides. Why? Because there is no such formula for log where we know the answer of log m plus n. So we cannot apply log on both the sides. We have to individually take u and v. Now the question reduces into y equal to u plus v. Now differentiating throughout the equation, let us suppose we will name the equation as equation number 1. If you will differentiate it, then dy by dx is equal to du by dx and dv by dx. So individually we will find out the value of du by dx and individually we will find out the value of dv by dx. Then we will add the values to get the value of, to find out the value of dy by dx. Now see how to find out du by dx. What is the value we have considered for u? U is equal to cos x power cot x. U equal to cos x to the power cot x. Cos x function of x, cot x again function of x, variable to the power variable. So logic is take log on both the sides. Taking log on both the sides, log u equal to log x cos x power cot x. Now log m to the power n is cot x log cos x. Differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log u with respect to x and cot x log cos x. Now how to find out? We cannot differentiate u with respect to x, so what we will do? We will multiply and divide with du. Derivative of log u with respect to du by dx. Then u into v, derivative of u into v plus derivative of v into u. So what is the derivative of log u? Log u derivative is 1 by u du by dx, and cot x derivative is minus cos x square x into log cos x plus log cos x derivative log theta, and it is 1 by theta into derivative of theta, that is equal to minus sin x into cot x. So 1 by u du by dx minus cos x square log cos x minus 10x into cot x is equal to 1. So this is 1. Taking minus sign as a common factor, you will get cos x square log cos x plus 1. Here u is divided, so u will be multiplied. So what is the value of du by dx? Du by dx is equal to du by dx equal to u. Put the value of u equal to cos x to the power cot x, cos x square log cos x plus 1. Let us name this equation as equation number 3. So we get the value of du by dx. Now what is the value of v? V is equal to, we have considered v is equal to x square plus 1 power 10 inverse x. So taking log on both the sides, log v equal to log x square plus 1 power 10 inverse x. So 10 in log m to the power n log m, differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log v with respect to dx, u into v, derivative of u into v, derivative of v into u. Now here v cannot be differentiated with respect to x, so what you have to do? Multiply and divide with dv, derivative of log v with respect to dv, dv by dx. Log v derivation is 1 by v dv by dx. Again apply the u into v formula, derivative of u into v, derivative of v into u. 10 inverse x derivative is 1 by x square plus 1 into log x square plus 1 plus log theta 1 by x square plus 1 into derivative of x square plus 1 is equal to 2x. So 2x by x square plus 1, 10 inverse x. Now get the value of dv by dx by multiplying v to the other side. Substitute the value of v. So name it as equation number 4. So we have calculated the value. We have calculated the value of du by dx. We have calculated the value of dv by dx. Now using equation number 3 and equation number 4 in equation number 2 to get the value of dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to this, right? So again listen to this problem. See, these two terms are present in addition mode. See, variable power variable, variable power variable. Still we cannot apply that. Still we cannot take log on both the sides directly. Why? Because there is no such formula for log u plus v or log m plus n. We know the formula for log m power n. We know the formula for log m into n. We know the formula for log m divided by n. So this is a special type of problem and it is a long question of 10 marks, right?